Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad sauce. First, let's gather our base ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. These form the creamy, tangy foundation of your sauce. Don't forget a pinch of sugar, salt, and black pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's combine the wet ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, add your 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Whisk these together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. This step is crucial for achieving that classic creamy texture. Taste it and adjust the vinegar if you prefer a tangier sauce. Next, we'll perfect the flavor with seasoning and sweetness. Add about 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar to your mixture. This balances the tanginess beautifully. Then, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything well. This is your chance to taste the sauce and adjust any of the seasonings to your liking, ensuring it's just right for your palate. Finally, let's consider some optional additions and finishing touches. For extra texture and flavor, you can fold in about 1/4 cup of finely diced celery or red onion. A dash of paprika also adds a lovely color and subtle warmth. Once your sauce is complete, cover it and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully before you mix it with your cooked macaroni.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.